How to fix Leagues of Legends game not opening? First step, click Riot Client, click Profile Icon, click Settings. This page will appear. In this, click Leagues of Legends, scroll down, click Repair, start repair. Wait for some time, is actually verifying your game file. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after, it will throw up the message successfully repaired. Move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it. Click Allow an app of features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings, scroll down. Search for Riot Client. It should be enabled in both private and public. Search for Leagues of Legends. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means click Allow another app, click Browse, go to C drive, click Riot Games, click Leagues of Legends. You get the application. Click Riot Client, you get the application. Click it and click Add in the bottom side. Enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Next step, right click Leagues of Legends, click Properties, click Compatibility, enable Run the program as administrator, click Apply and OK. Open this PC, make sure you have enough memory space, right click it, click Properties, click Tools, click Check and scan the drive. Successfully scanned, close it. Next step, search for CMD, right click, click Run as administrator, type the following text, SFC space / scan now, click enter, wait for some time. Once the verification is complete after, exit it. The next step, click Settings, click System Settings, click Display Settings, scroll down, click Graphic Settings, scroll down and check for Leagues of Legends. If it's not having means you need to add it, click Add Desktop App, go to C drive, Riot Games, Leagues of Legends folder, click the application and add it. Once adding after, open it. The GPU preference, it should be depends on you. You can set it as high preference or let Windows decide. The optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. Close it and restart your device. Thank you.